Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can complete your RedotPay KYC verification. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up, and you are going to become eligible for a free $5 welcome bonus if you use the link. So when you sign up here with the help of your email address for the very first time, on the home page itself you are going to see the option of apply. So as you can see, I've already completed my KYC, so that's why it is showing me the option of setup, but over here you are going to see the option of apply. Now when you click on the apply button, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply verify your phone number with an OTP. After doing so, you need to simply select your country or your region. Then you need to select the identification document that you want to use. It can be your passport, your national ID, or your driver's license. Then you need to take a clear photo of your documents by following the on-screen instructions. Those instructions are going to be really simple, so make sure that all the corners are visible of your documents, the text is readable, and there should be no glare on any kind of blur available. Then you need to also complete your face verification by positioning your face inside the camera frame and following the prompts until the scan is finished. Then simply review your information and tap on the option of submit. Once your verification is approved, your account will be fully activated, which is going to allow you to access more Red.Pay features and higher account limits. You can also check whether your account is verified or not by tapping on this profile icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, you are going to see your UID. Underneath it you will see whether it is approved or not. So as you can see, my account is already approved and it is showing me approved over here. So that's how you can basically verify your identity. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel.